क्या हो गया भाई, डर क्यों रहा है रे? और लड़के, डर रहा है तू? मुझसे डर रहा है? टू डॉगी। Sorry. Hey guys, good evening. It's 3rd of February 2018. It's a Saturday and yep, it's almost 5 in the evening and I'm out riding. So I've changed the setting onto my helmet. As you can see, I no longer have my, that adapter the way I used to have it. The reason is, as you guys also must have noticed, at higher speeds, when I go up at about 60-70 kilometers an hour and above that, there is a cracking voice which comes in my audio, and my audio starts to crack, and the audio is not very clear. So I've just tried to alter the position in which my adapter is there on my helmet, hoping that it rectifies the problem. We'll talk about some more stuff in today's vlog. We'll do some of the talking. गल्ला करेंगे दिल दियां क्यों. And as you guys can see, I'm wearing my favorite Roshi, which I bought from Hamburg, Germany, from that huge motorcycle accessory store they had there, and man, it was amazing. So let's talk something about my dilemma of the fight between the Honda CBR 650F and the Ninja 650, which is still going on very fiercely in my mind. In my last vlog, I went to the Honda dealership and I inquired about the Honda CBR 650F. And thank you to some of the subscribers, some of my friends who do think that Honda CBR should be the choice for me. But you know what, guys? What you guys are not considering and what I am considering is the money involved. 2 lakh rupees is a huge amount, and for 8 lakh I will only be getting the bike. You need to consider that too, because once I get that bike of that level, I do need to get me some expensive gear too, right? I will be buying a jacket too. I will be buying a pair of gloves, maybe elbow and knee joints, new ones. So all of that is going to cost me much more, probably say 50,000-60,000 rupees more. Whereas in the case of Ninja 650, I also inquired about the Ninja 650 in the Delhi dealership with the Kawasaki guys. First was about the rear seat cowl, which I desperately want if I'm going for the Ninja 650, and Yoshimura exhaust. Now here's a little bit of knowledge. If you buy Ninja 650, so to adhere to the BS4 norms, they are not giving out a slip-on exhaust for Ninja 650. They are giving out a full system exhaust. It is going to cost me about 85 to 90,000 rupees. That is some serious money there. And about that rear seat cowl, I don't know why it is that way, but that single green piece of plastic will cost me 35,000 rupees. That is what that Kawasaki guy tells me. I mean, that's ridiculous, right? So 8 lakhs for the Ninja 650 along with the accessories, and about 8.5 lakhs for the Ninja CBR. So I mean, it's a close call. I don't know what to do. Oh, this is the Satyam Dhaba. Well, lots and lots of fond memories of this dhaba. Engineering days where we used to come, and it was famous for its Angara chicken. Guys, what you see onto my left right now is that wonderful flattish feature. The people here call it Hema top. So guys, I'm here at the top of one of the hillocks. That is the Hema top, which the local call it, and this is the view from here. As you can see, there's one lake over there, there is a lake over there, and this vast expanse of open area, and then the sunset is almost about to happen, and so I should be setting up my time lapse now. Okay, so I've set up the time lapse, and another 2-3 things that I want to speak. My battery is almost about to die, so one of which is the finally the reviews, or the first ride reviews of the Ducati V4 Panigale are up. I must say Ducati has done a wonderful work with the V4s. I mean, it took them a lot of time to switch, to give up their V2 two cylinders, and now finally they've started producing the 4-cylinder motorcycles. Although by the initial reviews, I am a bit disappointed that Ducati has still made the configuration on the engine running in such a way that the sound of a 4-cylinder is not sweet as an inline 4. It is it's still a V 90-degree configuration like this. So 2 cylinders that's on this inline 2, and then inline 2 like this, and the amount of performance that they've been able to derive out of that V4 engine is absolutely mind-boggling. It is producing at about 214 bhp of power, and guess what's the weight of the bike? Just 195 kilograms. Yes, a 1200cc V4 engine motorcycle weighing in just about 195 kgs, and that 214 horses of power. I mean, the acceleration on that thing must be crazy. At an introductory price of 20.5 lakhs for the regular version, and for the S version they are asking about 25 lakhs. So that's quite a lot of money, but I'm sure there will be enough buyers in India for that lot. So I've heard that there are initially only 20 units are coming to India. And then yes, there is something special being planned for March too. I'm here in Mhow till February end, and then in March I have planned something very special with my motorcycle and with my new motorcycle, to be very precise. Whether it is a Ninja 650 or a CBR 650F, that's a surprise. To be very frank, even I don't know yet. So in March is going to be very, very exciting, so watch out for that. And for those of you guys who are watching this vlog and have not subscribed to me yet, please subscribe. I know I'm going to replace my motorcycle soon, but no matter how much I try, the first motorcycle for me is just like the first love. No matter how many motorcycles I buy after it, the emotional connect and the bond that I have with my R15 can never be repeated with any motorcycle. Looking at a motorcycle right there, with the backdrop of that gorgeous sunset, she made me fall in love with her again. And it was not only because the way she looked, it was because of the emotional connect that I have, the amazing experiences that we shared together. All of that had made my motorcycle more than just a machine to me, and it had given me some really priceless lessons in my life. And not to forget, my endless thirst for adventure and traveling was a gift that this motorcycle has given me, and is something that is going to be with me for the rest of my life.